Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2019 Lincoln MKT Reserve. Now, what's crazy is this one came in on trade. I appraised the car and I go to look for comparable values. There wasn't a single one available for sale in the US. There's plenty of 2018s. There's a good amount of 2018s, but 2019 Reserves, they don't really exist. At least in the current market, or if they didn't market them correctly and listed them as a base when in reality it's a reserve. But I mean, look at the materials in here. It's all really, really nice. I mean, this is very, very nice soft touch leather, and it feels great to the touch. Heated rear seats. Third row. I will open up the back just to show you guys, because it's actually pretty cool. It's kind of like a wagon. You have third row, plenty of, so you have normal, you have still mode, fold, tailgate. See what this button does. Oh! Okay, so it converts it to a tailgate position. And you have fold mode. Last but not least, normal. I'll pop these. Actually, I'll leave the headrest down for now. Oh yeah, buttons right here. Pretty cool. There's a lot of features hidden in that. Your keyless passcode. Very, very nice. I mean, just look at this leather. Dual sunroof. Everything's touch sensitive here. Backup camera. I gotta adjust my seat. There we go. Hold the phone. Figured it out. Power adjustable pedals. Let's go. That's better. That's way better. See, I've never driven one of these before the appraisal of this. I don't even think I saw one in person. I saw the limo versions, I saw the hearse versions. So like, this would be the equivalent of finding a Crown Victoria civilian spec fully loaded. Like, you see all the other versions. You see the taxi version, you see the police interceptor versions. Like, you see all of those, but you never see a normal fully loaded one. That's this. You know, eventually I do want to try and review a limo. You know how cool that would be? Do a point of view drive of a limo? That would be sick. I gotta find a way to do that. But I am really impressed with this car. Again, last time I checked, this is the only 2019 Reserve for sale in the US. The only one. Every single one, really? Hello. Okay. That's a torquey motor. Honestly, the leather on the steering wheel is probably some of the richest feeling leather. Now, it all might... If it's not real leather and this is all gimmicky, you know what? It works, okay? Oh boy. This is sweet. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.